We're tooling around with Bob. We're at Lakeland General Store in Dunvilla. We're going up there, right?
We are, Dave, because here's why. Winter's coming, right?
It is.
It's inevitable. Y'all remember last winter. We don't really want to think about winter, except for one of the most miserable parts about winter is when things fail.
Right.
One of the things that's probably more dangerous, less thought of, but very common in our area is for your sewer pipe to freeze up.
Freezes up.
You see it, I can show you videos upon videos of people with their sewer pipe, you know, it fills up, condensation comes out of there, heat comes out of there, it fills up with frost and snow, and eventually it's clogged, leaking all that sewer gas back into your house, which is incredibly dangerous.
And fire departments get called out because they believe there's a gas leak.
Absolutely.
Many, many winters I've experienced that.
We've got the most simple solution.
This is unbelievable.
Yeah, a local gentleman invented these. What we got here is the sewer skewer. So it's just a copper pipe, but there is something to the design of this thing, and it's patented. There's nothing else that does exactly what this does besides the sewer skewer. We've got two sizes. We got the regular and the XL. All, you know, like second floor, bigger homes, buildings like ours, you'd use the XL. Normal size, you know, single level, you'd be fine with the regular size sewer skewer. All you have to do is simply drop this in your sewer pipe. The heat releases up through the pipe, and it's just going to keep it clear.
It off gases.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about ever having your sewer freeze after this. I want to show you just how easy it is to put this on now, before you have a problem, A, and B, before there's snow and ice on your roof.
Exactly. We're heading north. Bob, you got a ladder?
Of course I have ladders, Dave. I sell them, I rent them. We have big ladders, small ladders, but there's always a better way, right?
Always a better way at Lakeland General.
We're going to use, this is probably one of the most popular things we have in rental. This is bill jacks. This is our towable boom lift. So you tow this behind your vehicle out on site, whether you're cutting a tree, doing siding, painting, whatever your project may be that you need to get up in the air. It's so much safer and easier to work off this than a ladder. So you know what? We're going to use this instead of a ladder.
All right.
It's really simple to operate. We'll probably have to fast forward through this, but I'll show you real quick. You simply push a couple buttons here. The legs are going to come down. It's going to auto level itself, which you'll see in a second. And then from there, we just jump in the boom and then we ride it up. We're going to lift it off our vehicle, which in this case is our skid steer that we also, of course, rent at Lakeland General Store.
Of course you do.
But big important thing is if you use this piece of equipment, you must disconnect it from your vehicle, because when this thing levels, it's got enough power. If it decides the front end needs to come down, it's going to push down. It could break your shock on your vehicle. It could break our hitch, which is going to cost you money. So I'm just going to push auto level. There you go.
Look at that.
It's level on its own.
Okay, 2 buttons.
Now we just flip it over to control from the bucket, and let's go to the roof.
All right. We're up top of Lakeland General Store in Dunvilla, Bob. It's the sewer skewer, and it's a one in and you're done type of implementation, if you will. Put it in and forget about it.
Yeah, it makes your life really easy. Takes care of what could be a major issue, as we talked about down below. It's also a great company. It's a local company. Local guy invented these. Also, he takes a chunk of the proceeds, and he has this funforvets.com deal where he takes vets out and just takes them and does fun things. So you're supporting a good cause as well. But what I'm going to show you today is just how simple this is. And again, I can't even tell you enough. Do it now.
Do it now.
When it's nice out, before there's ice on your roof, before you're fighting snow, whatever it is. All you do is simply now, in our case, we do not need the XL, believe it or not, in this building. It's a big building, but it's not very tall.
Right.
So I just wanted to show you the XL. If you needed it, it's quite simple. You just screw it together. That's all you'd have to do. In other words, in other cases where you don't need the XL, where just like that one there, you simply drop this down in your sewer pipe, you're done.
That's it. That's it. And it'll keep you safe, and you won't get that, like it's almost like that carbon monoxide feeling. You get the gas leak and the propane leaks in the house in the winter time, and the fire department comes out and you had a frozen gas vent.
Yes, yes, and it can be dangerous too.
It can be, yeah.
So,
all right, it is the sewer skewer, and it's available at Lakeland General Store, right, Bob?
Absolutely, Dave.
We're tooling around with Bob at Lakeland General Store in Dunvilla.